God is going to judge Egypt. And if the people of the people in the nation of Israel don't do what they're told, the firstborn of their people and beasts are also going to die. And so they're given instruction. Now, to put this in context, they don't have the internet. They don't have cell phones. Hey, we got to go get a lamb. In verse 5, it says, we got to go get a lamb that's without blemish. That's what it says. God instructs them, your lamb shall be without blemish, a male of the first year. And so they are to get this type of lamb that is without blemish. And here's the thing. They take Lammy into their house. It's in there. It's in chapter 12. They are instructed to take Lammy and put Lammy in the house. And if you don't have enough room in your house, then you're to go to your neighbor's house so that you can be looking at the lamb. You can see the lamb. And so in verse 13, he says this, now the blood shall be a sign for you, and when I see the blood, I will pass over you. The angel of death will pass over the house. So what do they do with this lamb? They take the lamb that's been in the house probably for quite some time, and the kids probably have grown attached to the lamb. Sin requires sacrifice. And they take the lamb and they slaughter the lamb. So the children and the adults understand that sin requires a sacrifice. And so what do they do with the blood of the lamb? They put it on the lintel or the doorpost of their home, and the angel of death passes over. I want you to hear the next sentence that I have to say ultra clearly, because this isn't just about Easter season. This is about our life as believers. You see, the lamb dies so people can live.